Hi guys, welcome back to Fantastic A's. If you're wondering why we have a video up to this point, is because we lost the first part of the video and we can't find it. So we're sorry that we can't explain how we did it, but I'll explain it to you. So to make this recipe, you just need to have chicken breasts and then seasoning and stuff. You cut the chicken breast and then you put it in milk, and no, you put the seasoning and stuff and then put it in milk, then you leave it in there to set, and then after a few minutes you get flour and eggs, and then you dip it in flour and then dip it in eggs and then dip it back in flour and place it on a plate, and then you fry it, and then I think after that you need to just put it in the oven. Yeah, you need to put it in the oven, and then that's all. And then after that you can put whatever you want in the wrap, because we use this recipe with the wrap. And yeah.
Wait, let's put you into the frame. You're meant to put your hands out like this. Put your hands straight. Oh, cool. Do you know how to do boxing? Okay, now put your hands. You got some moving, guys.
My turn.
Put the heat down, put the heat down, put the heat down. I meant to double fry them, but no.
My turn.
No, you have to give me the oven, the thingy. I'm not gonna let you bust my hand. Give me protection. Hey!
She did it to me, and she's gonna let me do it to her.
Did you see the light flash?
Yeah.
Let me prepare myself. Don't break my hand, please. Okay, I'll stay still. Why are you doing what? I didn't do what to you. That one hurt. Hey, calm down. Yeah. I'm joking. You know you can do karate. I'm actually like karate. I'm just watering my hands.
Okay. You're gonna clean up off this. I'm gonna sleep soon.
What's my feedback, guys? It's gonna be too heavy. Okay, don't break my back. You're very light. Get off. Let me push this.
So I'm gonna wash the plates.
Yeah, and then I don't know what I'm doing.
She doesn't know
I'm
what
frying chips.
Yeah, she's frying chips and then she's gonna get out the vegetables. Guys, I'm gonna fast forward this. Guys, we are washing the plates.
Are you okay?
Yeah. The singing in the background was faridah.
Yes,
it was. Yes, it was.
Baby, calm down. Calm down. High five.
I have red stuff. Bro, because I ate the baby.
Can you wash the damn?
So I'm.
That's
So now my cousin is putting. Well, this is one of the finished pieces. So this is my brother Amjad's pizza. I mean, wrap. Guys, don't mind me. I don't know what I'm saying.
Fumble mouth today.
Yeah, it's a fun mouth.
Amira's not one.
Yeah. But not the one that I had two.
Okay.
No, don't give me the thought.
I'm sorry, but we can't show you too much. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Wait.